Deep in the ocean, nestled between coral castles and seaweed forests, lived a family of dolphins. This was no ordinary dolphin family. You see, they weren't content with just leaping and playing in the waves. No, they had a peculiar hobby, collecting seashells. The mother dolphin loved smooth, pearly shells. The father dolphin liked jagged, colorful ones. And as for their little baby dolphin, well, he was obsessed with shiny, spiraled shells. Every day the family would set out into the wide ocean to search for the perfect shell. And every day they brought home something new and beautiful. At first they just kept the shells for themselves, each one carefully stored in a little nook of their reef home. But soon the collection grew so vast that the dolphins had to start gluing the shells to the walls to make room for more. And that's when the little dolphin had an idea. "Why don't we build a castle from the shells?" he said. His parents loved the idea, so the three dolphins set to work, arranging and rearranging the shells until they made a magnificent castle fit for a king. They used the pearly ones as window frames and the colorful ones as borders. The spiral shells, of course, went on the roof, making it sparkle in the sunlight. It took them weeks to finish, but finally, the dolphin shell castle was complete. All the dolphins in the sea heard about it and wanted to see it for themselves, so they invited all their friends over for a grand opening party. The dolphins swam in from all around, bringing with them gifts of coral and kelp to decorate the castle. They sang and danced and told stories as they exchanged gifts and admired the sparkling shell roof. It was everything the little dolphin had dreamed of, and more. But then suddenly a big grouchy fish swam by. He was a pufferfish, known for being grumpy and stealing other sea creatures' treasures. The dolphin's party was over, and when he saw all those beautiful shells, he had just one thought: I want them all. The grouchy fish opened his mouth wide and started sucking up the shells, one by one, until the entire roof was bare. The dolphins were devastated. All their hard work was gone. They didn't even know what to do. But then the little dolphin had an idea. He swam up to the pufferfish and said, "Hey, why don't we make two roofs? You can have all the shells on your side, and we'll have ours on this side." The pufferfish thought for a moment. "Well, that does sound like fun," he said finally. "Let's do it." And so the dolphins and the pufferfish worked together to arrange the shells, each one happily ever after in their own little piece of the sea.